Hi, I'm Kevin Bose, the Western District Chef. Today I'd like to talk about two pieces of equipment that can heighten and add consistency to the products that you produce within your kitchens. The Mandolin slicer and the Japanese spiral slicer. The beauty of both of these pieces of equipment is that they give you consistent cuts all the way through and a wide variety of blade settings and blades. For today's demonstration, we're going to slice some potatoes that you would use for scalloped potatoes. But before we start, let's talk a little bit about safety. Many of you have a wide variety of mandolins that do come in several different types, but most come with a safety guard to allow you to keep your hand away from the blade. If you don't have that option, the next best thing is a safe blade glove that you can purchase. Different sizes, which I recommend because not everybody has the same size of hands. So for today, we're going to be doing a potato for scalloped potatoes. Always make sure that you have a firm grip on the back side of your mandolin. You want to do nice, steady, slow strokes across the blade. One thing to keep in mind for this demonstration is that we are cutting onto a cutting board. Because of the volume that you would be producing for scalloped potatoes, you would more than likely be doing these into a pan. Of course, you would be transferring those over into water so that they hold. But again, the beauty of using a mandolin is the consistent cut that you can get from this that you, or perhaps some of your staff, may not be able to produce by hand. Next, I'd like to move on to the Japanese spiral slicer. Much like the mandolin, this piece of equipment comes with a wide variety of settings and blades that can give you different adjustments and different cuts. As you see before you, we've got curls, straight cuts, things that we can create out of using both. For today, we're going to take a turnip and show you how to make a little bit of a flour that you can use on your green salads, your salad of the days. And again, for this purpose, we're just using a straight blade, a couple of quick churns. Pull that back out of this. You now have got a curl that you can shape. Again, different blades can be used, give you different looks. They can highlight and accent your salad. With the mandolin and with the spiral slicer, one thing that needs to be noted is that there is very little waste. As you push through on a spiral slicer, you're going to get a little core. This, couple of slices through, make them consistent. Can be a great addition to peas and carrots. Can be used as a garnish or even as an accent to your flour. Again, the mandolin and the spiral slicer are two pieces of equipment that you can use within your kitchens to highlight and accent every item that you produce.